Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Barbican in St. Andrew. We're currently on East King's House Road heading towards the Barbican area. On the right we just passed the turn off to Paddington Avenue, and on the left we just passed the turn off to Halifax Avenue. Okay, we're now entering the Barbican area. Coming up on the left is the Loshusan shopping center. So we're going to turn into the Loshusan shopping center and drive through it. As you can see, there's Monarch Pharmacy, Wendy's, and then the big supermarket is the Loshusan supermarket. This is the entrance to the supermarket. Other popular stores are Acropolis Casino. There's a Tutti Frutti and lots of other stores. This is a very popular plaza in Jamaica or in Kingston. But it's fully occupied. All the stores are rented. We're going to come up to the Acropolis part now. Okay, there you go. On the left is the entrance to the Acropolis Casino. There's a nightclub up there too. Not a nightclub, a restaurant or a lounge. Okay, so we're exiting the plaza now. Now the plaza has done so well that the owners bought this land across the road that we're looking at now. So before this road, there used to be these yellow stones. That used to be the main road. So when you're coming up from East King's House Road towards Barbican, you would drive on this road. But the persons that own the plaza bought this piece of land across from the plaza, which you're looking at now, the empty lot, and actually bought the structure where Hilo is. So they got the road changed, so they're going to take the Loshusan Plaza and extend it right across the road onto the open lot. But that hasn't started yet. But that's the plan for the plaza, the expansion plan. So we're going to go on to the open lot now, so you can get a better idea of what's going on. Okay, so all of this land is going to be the plaza one day. I don't remember the exact amount, but you can bet it's a couple million US that was paid for this land. Okay, so we're heading back towards East King's House Road now. So this section of East King's House Road is new because it was just built to facilitate the redirection of the traffic. So here we go, we're going on to East King's House Road now. As you can see, it's a dual carriageway and it's very new. actually the way this road looks with the lanes and the concrete barricade is how the entire East Kings House Road is going to look. The government is going to, how would you say, modernize it, rebuild it. But that's how the entire road is going to look heading towards Hope Road. Alright, we now just turn left onto Barbican Road, which was recently renovated. So it's a dual carriageway with the concrete barricades. Now, people often ask, why do we have these big concrete barricades in the road? Well, the answer is simple. Okay, before we get there, on the left is where the original road used to end up, and you would come out here. Okay, so why do we have these barricades? A lot of indiscipline on the road. If you didn't have these barricades, persons would make U-turns anywhere they feel like, come out of these side roads and go straight across the road. I mean, there is a lot of indiscipline on the road. Most, but not all, but most of the indiscipline is from the taxi drivers, who stop anywhere they want to pick up passengers, stop anywhere they want to drop them off. Most of these cars are not even fit to be on the road. But that's a discussion for another time. Okay, so we're on Barbican Road. As you can see, the concrete barricades extend along the entire dual carriageway. Before this road was renovated, the traffic used to be terrible, but the traffic actually flows a lot better now that they have renovated the road and put up the barricades and widened it. It's now 2 lanes on either side, which makes the flow of traffic much better. The current government, the Jamaica Labour Party, has really done an excellent job in renovating these roads and modernizing these roads. So we're still on Barbican Road, heading back towards Barbican Square. On the left is Shields and Shields, a very popular plant store. They sell plants. Yeah, this intersection, if we were to turn left, that would take us up to, if we turn left, that would take us on to Birdsucker Lane, which takes us up into Cherry Gardens. If we turn right, that would be the entrance to High-Low Barbican. You can see the High-Low building on the right. This intersection in front of us now is, if we turn right, that takes us on to East Kings House Road, which takes us back towards Halfway Tree. If we turn left here, that takes us into the Barbican Square, where they have numerous shops. On the right is the Fontana Barbican. On the left, we're passing Sugar and Spice, and straight ahead is Texaco gas station in Barbican. Look at the, okay, we won't go there. We just turn left onto Jacksonville Road. This road leads us up into the Jacksonville area.